Hi folks, I hope all you guys are fine. I'm in the garage now and right now I just have time on evening to do something on the car. In between I eat something and yeah, there's not a lot of material to make a video, but I can just keep you updated right now. Yesterday I made how to say that stuff here from the hood. I made that new. It's necessary to have that in Switzerland because of the noise, and I thought, yeah, not to take the original one. I just take some random stuff, and yeah, it doesn't look great, but it doesn't look so bad. This thing I painted new. That looks pretty nice, and so that's what I did yesterday. And today I I took new hoses here. I took a new whatever here that everything looks a bit better. And the washer, the wiper washer works. It's great. I tested that. Here is a new cap. And yeah, right now I eat something. And then I will most probably replace the brake hose on the rear. Yeah, that's what I do today. And I think that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed that news. I made a bit more than I thought. I was checking all the vacuum hoses and then I started the car and it's still not shift in the third gear. And so I checked the vacuum hoses here and everything seemed to be fine. And now I try to check the vacuum hose on the transmission. This here. And so it's so not visible, this one. And if I move on that one, do you see there? It's somehow not connected. I thought it's one steel line, but it's basically not just one. Somewhere it should be connected. I cannot really see where, but I hope the car doesn't shift because of that. I will check now from the upper side if there is some hose I didn't see which is broken. So this hose I disconnected and tried to suck, and there was no resistance, and I thought it's one big steel line, but somehow it goes down there and somehow should be a rubber hose in between. I don't really see it. Luckily everything is warm now. I will check that and will check if I can replace it, and then I hope it will shift again. Beside of that, I made all vacuum hoses new, like this ones. I replaced that ones from the wiper. Here I'm not really sure. On this vacuum diagram we have a canister and we have some EGR stuff and air pump, and all of that is deleted on the Swiss car, and so I don't really know where all the vacuum lines should go. On this one I was not sure. Here it goes to that, I don't know what it is, something with the air condition, I think. Compressor cut out. It goes to here. I'm not sure about this vacuum hose, but the other ones I think they should be pretty correct. Okay, I will try to fix that hose there, goes to the automatic, and then I try once more if it will shift to the next gear. So I hope so much. Yeah, we will see. A few seconds later, basically, again it's midnight, but I repaired the hose, the vacuum hose to the transmission. Maybe I can show you. It was basically a pretty easy fix, but it was not so easy. So there's, I don't know if you see that, this black hose there, this one here. Yeah, this one. Yeah. I replaced the metal thing. Where is it? This one. I don't trust that one very much, and it was pretty difficult to put it in the car, so I just have the rubber vacuum hose. Here it's connected. And now let's try if it shifts to the third gear. Okay. Wheels are in the air. So I have no brakes, but I'm on the lift anyway. So put it to the first. Second, and third. Yeah, it shifts. Second, first, hopla. So once more, put in the D. Yeah, that's D. Second, Oh, that's the third already. There are heavy vibrations. Don't know if it's because of the tires, but I don't know. We will see. So it shifts. Perfect. Great. I think. Like. Not so crazy right now. But for today, I would say it shifts. Third gear work. I'm very happy about that, so I don't need to replace the transmission. I would love to say already good to go, but it's not. I have still a lot to do, but I think yeah, that's a big thing when it shifts to the third gear, and everything else I will fix later. Okay. Have a nice time. See you next time. Bye bye. It's 45 minutes later and I'm still here. It's because I hate when something is not like it should. That's why now the metal vacuum line is back in to the transmission, and now I'm done. Now I go home. Bye guys, see you next time.